morning, dear students. Today we are going to see importance of accounting. So accounting records is very important for analyzing the weakness and strength of the concerns. So we can see below. First one, the systematic record. The systematic records mean all the transactions of an organizations, which the financial nature we can the recorder in systematic way of accounts. It is known as the systematic record. The systematic records mean all the transaction we are recorded in financial nature. All the transactions we are recorded in financial nature. Okay, what's the meaning of all the transactions? All the transactions mean the buying and selling. All the transactions mean we can the buying and selling. For example, the goods purchased, salary paid, and insurance paid, rent paid. So like that information, it is a transactions. Okay, that's the transactions mean salary paid. It's one of the transactions, and wage paid, insurance paid mean it's a transactions. In the financial natures mean salary paid for rupees 5,000, the rent paid for rupees the 10,000 means a financial nature. So the all the transaction we recorded in the financial nature and systematic way of accounts, it is known as systematic record. Okay, then systematically we are preparing. First one is a what's the transactions, then we have journal and a ledger and a trading account and a profit and loss account, and so like that we are the preparing. It is a systematic way of recording. It is a systematic way. Are you clear that systematic way? The systematic way mean all the transactions of an organization, which mean the financial transactions, financial in nature, we are recorded in systematic way of accounts. It is known as systematic record. And second one, the preparation of financial statement. Okay, preparation of financial statement. So what's the meaning of the preparation of the financial statement? Then why we are the preparing the financial statement? How to analyze the financial position and operation of the business. So we are the preparing financial statement. Are you clear that why we are preparing the financial statement? How to analyze the result of organization of business. How to analyze the result, how to analyze the result of result for it's the business operations, operation of the business. How to we can determine the profit or loss of the business, how to determine. So we are the preparing the financial statements, as a namely and a trading account and a profit and loss account and the balance sheets we are the preparing. Then at the same time it helps in the distribution of the profit also. In the preparation of accounting, as a preparation of the financial statements, very helpful to the distribution of the profit and further fund we are the providing to the business, for the development. It's very helpful financial statement. And third one, assessment of progress. What's meaning of the progress? The progress means it's a development of the concern. You have to identify the development of the concern. So assessment of the progress. So it's analysis and interpretation of the financial data. We can done to the access. You have to done to we can access. We can make identify the area of weakness. We have to identify the area of weakness. So which area we can the weakness area. The weakness area how to the identify. So we have to the prepare the financial statements. Accounting records is very important to analysis and interpretation of and the financial data we can done to we can access. You have to done to we can access, make the identify area of weakness. You have to identify the weakness area, how to identify, because how to the progress, how to identify. So how to identify the weakness area. And then the management provide a complete picture of the organization. Management provide the complete picture of organization, like under liquidity and the profitability and the solvency of the financial position. It is a assessment of progress. Assessment of the progress mean it's a development of the concern. You have to analyze the development of the concern. Or we can analyze the development of the concerns mean first you have to identify the weakness area, then at same time it is providing the complete picture of an organization for the liquidity and profitability and solvency. So next, third one, aid to decision making. So aid to decision making mean it helps. So it is accounting records helps to the management to make the routine and the strategic decision to the management. So the routine work and the strategic decision. What does it mean? Strategic decisions mean the new techniques, new policies, new programs we can adopt it into the business. So the accounting is very helpful, very useful to the routine work and the strategic decision, new techniques, new ideas we can adapt it to the business for the development. Next one, this satisfies legal requirements. So satisfies the legal requirements. So the further informations are providing legal requirement for legal requirements like the provident fund, the employee state insurance, and tds mean the tax, so deducted source, like that, it's the providing legal requirements. Next, information to the interested group. The information, so interested group mean the management, we can provide the information to the interested group, those who are want the information we can the provide. So for it's the accounting the supplies in appropriate information. So appropriate information we can provide it to the for like owner or management and employees, then government authorities, so we can provide the information. So it's the interested group. Are you clear that interested group information we can provide? The interested group mean accounting the supplies appropriate information, the valuable information we can provide it to the interested group, and interested groups like owner, employees, and the management, and government authorities also. And then legal evidence, so its accounting records is one of the legal evidence, is generally accepted as evidence in a court of law. It's a accepted accounting, it's one of the legal evidence, it's accepted by court in law. Next, it's a law. So law me so next, sorry, computation of tax. So computation of the tax means it's a settlement of income tax and other taxes. It is known as computation of the taxes. Computation of taxes mean you have to the settlement of the tax. The tax how to pay to the government. It's a settlement. Income tax how to pay, and other taxes or direct and indirect taxes. Lot of taxes how to pay to the government. Next, settlement during merge. What's in a merge mean? We can the merge the two or more concern we can merge. It's a settlement during the merge. So the management can decide to the merge the concern. Two or more concerns mean is accounting information is very helpful, very useful to the management. It's a settlement during the merge. Okay, thank you.